Hi guys, this video will explain how the receiver antenna in Shiningintl GNSS spoofer works. Some client has asked question. The spoofer receiver antenna is red when turn off the emitting switch, and it will become green when turn off the emitting switch. Is it normal? Okay, let me explain you why. This is correct actually. When the signal transmission is turned on, the power supply to the receiver antenna will be cut off. So it will no longer receive signal. When the transmission is turned off, power will be supplied to the receiver antenna again. So the crystal oscillator will briefly turn red. Under good antenna receiver condition, it's better to turn green again in about 2 minutes. In addition, after the oscillator indicator light turn green, it can be continuously switched on and off to emit multiple times, even if the oscillator indicator light turn red within half an hour. So it's normal.